Cranky 2-year-old, pregnant wife? Glazed donut bread pudding is the perfect brunch answer. All you need is some stale donuts, milk, eggs, vanilla, and sugar. We'll make a sauce at the end too, but we'll get to that. Just crack your one egg in the bowl there, whisk it up a little bit, add your milk, kind of making a custard base there. Add a little bit of vanilla. If you were making an actual bread pudding, you'd probably have to add sugar, but glazed donuts are pretty sugary already, so you can see how crumbly and old this is. Somehow, we ended up with unconsumed donuts in my house. I think it's because my wife bought a dozen of them because we had to bribe the 2-year-old to let us cut his hair in the bathtub. And I'll post a picture of it sometime, but boy, did I do a crappy job. You always need coffee. We're actually going to make a sauce with this, but it entertains the little guy. See, we're dancing back there. He's happy. You'll hear him crying in a little bit. Here's my lovely wife's hand making some espresso. Ground up coffee, the cry of a 2-year-old, hot water. He wants to pour it. That's why he's complaining right there. See, he's going to help, though. He loves pushing that down. So I pulled it back up, but, you got to push it down to make sure it's strained. You don't want the grinds in there. No one likes coffee grinds. Well, maybe hogs if you got them out back. Jack, calm down. Dad's making a video. Anyway, espresso, milk, pouring some sugar. This is really fancy organic turbinado sugar, but look, we missed the sun pick, but doesn't that look tasty? So we poured all of our ingredients there for our kind of espresso creme anglaise in the GoSun brew. Look at that steam wafting up. Cough of my child. Just drizzle it over your delicious bread pudding. 4 ingredients, 4 ingredient sauce. Glazed donut bread pudding.